In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a business email in Cpanel and use it with Gmail to send and receive emails. To get started, make sure you are on a desktop or laptop because these settings are easiest to access in the full desktop version of Gmail. Once you are signed into Gmail, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon and then choose the option that says See All Settings. This opens the complete settings panel, where you can connect other email accounts and control how Gmail handles messages. Across the top of the settings page, you will see several tabs. Find and click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail lets you bring messages in from another inbox and manage sending options tied to other addresses. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct tab, because similar-looking options appear in other sections. Now scroll until you see a section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. In that area, you will find a link that says Add a Mail Account. Click Add a Mail Account to begin connecting your business email mailbox. A small window will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Type in your Cpanel email address carefully. This should be your business email address on your domain, not your Gmail address. Double-check spelling, including any dots, dashes, and the domain portion, because one small typo can prevent Gmail from connecting properly. After you enter the address, click Next. On the next screen, choose the option that says Import Emails from My Other Account. This tells Gmail that you want to pull messages from that business inbox into Gmail, so you can read and manage them from one place. After selecting that option, continue by clicking Next to move forward in the setup process. At this point, you have successfully started the process of linking your Cpanel business email with Gmail for receiving messages.